Hello, in front of me I've got Lexus CT 200H. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. Firstly, let's take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To use cruise control, press the button located on top of this lever. Now cruise control is enabled. Now accelerate to desired speed and press set button. Now you can increase or decrease speed by pushing this lever upwards or downwards. If you want to pause the cruise control, pull it like this. To disable cruise control, press the button located on the top of it again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.